Hello, we will create a macro that. Firstly, it calculates the relative percentage of turnover column B, in relation to the total turnover of the year. Secondly, it creates a pie chart for this data. From the Developer tab, I will record a macro that I call %CA. I'm recording. I place myself on C2, first cell of calculation of the percentage. I write the formula =, click on first value of January, cell B2, / of the division. Click on the annual total, cell B14, and above all, as we will always make an absolute reference to the total. F4 key on the keyboard to get the denominator $B$14. Be careful, I always recommend a standard keyboard, otherwise type the characters $ by hand if F4 does not work. I validate by enter, knowing that previously I assigned the percentage format to 2 decimal places after the decimal point to the values in column C. From the Home tab and Number toolbox, I could have done it afterwards too. Now I place myself on C2 and I duplicate my formula down with my copy handle from the lower right corner of C2, up to line 14. To insert my graph, I select the useful range of data, i.e. A2, C13. I don't need the headers, line 1, or total, line 14. From the Insert tab, Graphics toolbox, I click Sector Chart and select 3D sectors. I then get my starting graph, which I can still customize in my macro. Put a title that I can enrich, customize my data labels. When my graph is satisfactory, I stop my recording by clicking on the small button at the bottom left. To check the proper functioning of my macro, I go back to the Developer tab, Macros tool. I select it and run it. Outside macro, to refine the enrichments of the graph, you can zoom out the display. To be able to enlarge it and have a global overview that allows a more precise and comfortable finish. This properly completed chart could now be copied/pasted to a Word document, for example. For those who would like this XLXM type workbook, I have it available for possible sending by email. Excellent day.